I'm Susan Lucci, and I nearly died from heart disease a few months ago.
Everyone, does this look like the face of heart disease? Right? Hardly. Right?
Well, thank you. Well, I thought that too. I mean, I eat healthy, I work out every day, I do Pilates.
Did all the right things. But Susan learned last fall that looks can be deceiving. So I'll get out of this. I want you to tell your story. I want people to understand from you what you did to avoid dying of a heart attack and what they can do to copy and follow your steps.
Well, thank you. I have been very healthy. My checkups have been really, frankly, excellent. But last October, I was with my husband waiting to be seated at a restaurant, and I suddenly felt a slight tightness in my chest that radiated around to my back, around my rib cage. But I thought, probably as most women do, oh, it's nothing, it'll go away. And it did. But about 10 days later, I felt the same thing again. Slight tightness radiating around my rib cage to my back. And I thought, oh, well, the holidays are coming. I'm probably a little anxious about getting everything done. And truly, I thought, do I have a new bra on? Maybe it's too tight. And I'm thinking that, but I know it wasn't. And I went home and checked, and it wasn't. And I didn't think too much of it. I just didn't know what that was all about. But about a week later, I was shopping in a boutique for a friend's birthday present, and as they were stepping aside to go and have that wrapped, I felt something much stronger. I felt something that I had heard by chance a woman in an interview say years ago. I don't even know why I remembered, but she said that she was having a heart attack. Women's symptoms are often different from men's, and what she felt was an elephant pressing on her chest. And that's what I felt that day in that boutique. I felt like an elephant was pressing on my chest. And I was so lucky because I wasn't home. If I'd been home, I probably would have said, I just need to lie down, maybe have a glass of water. But instead, I was in public, and the manager came over and noticed my face probably looked like something was going on. How am I feeling? And when I told her, she said, my car's right outside. Why don't I drive you to the hospital? And that hospital was in the next town. I was very, very lucky because when I went to the hospital, they tested, and I was told later that I actually had a 90% blockage in my main artery and a 75% blockage in an area adjacent to that.
The so-called widowmaker.
I found that out later, yes.
Terrible name, but it's because the artery is so critical to the heart. So if you hadn't listened to your body, you wouldn't be sitting here.
No, I probably wouldn't be. And that's, I just feel so grateful, so lucky. And I just wanted to pass my luck on so that maybe one woman out there is hearing my story now and it will resonate with her. She will remember it, that women's symptoms can be different, and to listen to your body. And don't put yourself on the back burner. We as women need to put ourselves on our own to-do list and take care of ourselves. If your body is not feeling right, don't say, oh, it'll go away. Go take care of it. Save your life.
Squeezing is one example. You can get nausea, vomiting, you get discomfort of one or both arms, you go up to your neck. And women often have different symptoms. As Susan said, pay attention to subtle stuff. Even a little nausea, that can make a difference.
Yes, or jaw pain, I'm told.
Yes.
I didn't have that, but I know some women
jaw
do.
pain, hand pain, and lots of things. Why take a chance? There's some things that are knowable in life. If any of these symptoms happen to you, you call 911 immediately. You know, don't pass go, don't collect $200. Right? While you're waiting for help, chew an aspirin, hold it under your tongue. It gets into your bloodstream faster that way, and it might make a difference. And if you don't ignore the symptoms, you could be standing here with, like Susan Lucci, enjoying a much longer, healthy life.
Exactly. I know my doctor said nobody needs to die of a heart attack. You just need to listen to your symptoms and take action.
God bless you.
God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.